Check out this really cool feature that I think every phone should have. It's called Clear Speaker, and basically it's going to play this sort of tone sound, a high frequency that will help to remove dust and water that's probably stuck somewhere in your device. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro phone here. This feature actually was around a while back, way back in the good old days with the Poco X3 Pro. If you had that phone, I had it before and it had that feature here. So let's go ahead and dive into it and see how it works. We'll start by going into the settings. You can either go here or over here, and then the settings right here. Once you're here, you can type in the words Clear Speaker, and if you feel like looking for it, go ahead and go down to additional settings right there. In this area here, you'll be able to find a whole bunch of different accessibility settings, and going down a bit, you'll see Clear Speaker. This feature, again, is not available on every Xiaomi phone, but this is the Redmi Note 15 Pro, so you should have it. And when you see it, you will be prompted with that it's going to take about 30 seconds. And it's going to tell you shake your device as shown for better results. So you want to put the speaker part here, the speaker part of your Xiaomi phone. You want to kind of face it downwards like that when it's playing the sound, and hold it properly so that you won't drop it. Okay, so I'm going to play it. You can listen to it if you want to get an idea of how it sounds, or just skip this part here. So here we go. All right, and basically during that time here, you can hold your phone like this and just kind of like flick it downwards so that if anything is actually stuck down there, you will get it out. All right, so let's just wait for that. You can forward the video, and I just want you guys to hear that for yourself. Also, you can check out my other videos. There are speaker cleaner sounds if you're interested in that. And that's it. It's going to tell you it's done. You can repeat it again if whatever is stuck in there. And it's good because you don't have to install a third-party app or go on YouTube and watch one of those videos to clear your speaker. Just make sure you watch mine, not theirs. Anyways, like and sub. Let me know what you think about this feature. And thanks for watching.